Hi everyone, it's Manaim and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And today we are making chocolate souffle.
So first of all, I will prepare my ramekins. For that, I will grease it with butter and then coat it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can see our ramekin is done. So now our ramekins are done. So I'm just gonna keep it aside and I'm just gonna now prepare the base for my souffle. So for that I will on my heat, then add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of heaped flour, and just mix them well. And then here add half cup of milk, and mix it well. So now our mixture is thick, so just off the flame and then add 100 gram of chocolate. Add in small pieces. And just cover it. Leave in this much heat the chocolate will get melt, so just leave it for the chocolate to get melt. Now here I am having 2 egg whites and I have add a pinch of cream of tartar and now and add a bit of sugar and beat it. Now I have add 3 tablespoons of sugar and you can see our egg is stiff and fluffy. So now till then our chocolate is also melted. So I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 egg yolk, and I'm just gonna mix it. So now our base is ready. So now we will fold it in egg white. Don't use the beater now. Just fold it.
Here I just made a small mistake that I poured the chocolate mixture into the egg white mixture, but instead I should fold the egg white mixture in chocolate mixture.
So now our mixture is ready, and now I'm gonna fill my ramekins. Fill it equally. So now our ramekins are filled. So just clean from the side. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. So just put it in oven.
So I baked souffle for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
If you want, you can decorate with cocoa powder or icing sugar. I'm using icing sugar. So it is really fluffy and yummy. It's really good. Try it and make it in your home. I loved making this video for you all, and I hope you enjoyed it. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends and family. And if any other video you would like me to make, comment down below, or any other thing you want to ask me, so just comment down below. So till then, bye and thank you for watching. Bye.